Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Eustache is a charming town with a rich history and scenic beauty. Located just 35 kilometers northwest of Montreal, Saint-Eustache is nestled along the Rivière de Mille Îles. This town, founded in 1770, is best known for its historical significance, particularly during the Lower Canada Rebellion of 1837. One of the most notable landmarks here is the Saint-Eustache Church, built in the late 18th century. This church was the center of a fierce battle during the rebellion, and if you look closely, you can still see cannonball scars on its facade, a powerful reminder of the past. Today, Saint-Eustache is a vibrant community with a mix of history and modern life. With a population of about 45,000, it's a predominantly French-speaking area where traditions are cherished. The town features several parks, like Parc Nature Saint-Eustache and Parc Mont Saint-Eustache, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Saint-Eustache, Quebec.
watching.